Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus, we've got a couple of glitches to talk about as well. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, jumping right in, I do want to go ahead and give you guys a quick heads up on a 3 off 15 DG store coupon. Now, the deal with this is that you need to check the emails that are associated to all of your Dollar General accounts. That's the only place that I have seen anything about a 3 off 15 DG store coupon show up so far anyways. I know that in the past they will put them under the Just For You folder in your app, in your wallet. However, I haven't had anything pop up so far. This is the only place that I've been able to find anything about a 3 off 15 DG store coupon. So I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys the heads up. Make sure that you check all of your emails that are associated with your accounts. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. And of course, go ahead and clip your file 25 for Saturday. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for our Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. And of course, don't forget about that 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon. That one does not expire until the end of this week, so we should have some really good deals. Moving on down, we have a 5 off 3 for our Colgate products. This coupon does work on the Optic White and the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $4 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 3. Now, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Max White toothbrushes. Those are priced at $3 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 3. Next up, 50 cents off one for the Angel Soft. If you want to pick up the 4-count Mega Rolls, those are priced at $3.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. Moving on down, we have Tide Simply. We also have a 1 off 1 for our Gain laundry products. Now, these are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. However, be careful because some accounts did receive exclusive coupons last week for the Gain Flings and the Gain fabric softeners and the Gain scent beads. Moving on down, we have a 5 off 1 for the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits. Those are priced at $12.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. We have a 1 off 1 for our Gain liquid laundry detergent and the Bounce dryer sheets. Again, be aware, some accounts do have that exclusive $1.50 off 1 digital coupon on the dryer sheets. But these are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We also have a 3 off 1 for our Gain laundry products. These are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. And again, I hate to repeat myself, but you may have higher value coupons on your account. You'll just have to double check on these Gain products. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working on the Tide pods and the liquid. They're priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Moving on down, we have a $125 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. These start out at $4 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We also have a 5 off 3 for our Old Spice products. If you want to pick up the deodorants, those start out at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50 for 3. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the Sparkle paper towels. If you want to pick up the 4-count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for our CoverGirl eye products. If you want to pick up the 2-count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Then we have a 3 off 2 for our Garnier Fructis. If you want to pick up the shampoos or conditioners, those are priced at $3.50 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We also have a 2 off 1 for the Nivea lotions. So those are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for our Downy fabric softeners. These start out at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We also have a $1.50 off 1 for the Persil, 3 off 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends. Now, those are priced at $4.25 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. There's another 2 off 1 for our Nivea lotions. Again, those are priced at $5.75. We have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. Those start out at $6.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. We also have a 1 off 1 for our Fast Twitch Gatorade drinks. Those are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. We're going to skip down here to this 3 off 1 for our Tide products. So these are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.95. And then we also have a $1.50 off 1 for our Tide liquid, or the pods. These are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. Next up, a one-off 2 for the drumstick ice creams. So these are on sale, 2 for $7, and we also have a one-off 2 DG store coupon that will stack. So after both coupons are applied, you're going to pay $5 for 2. We have a 4-off 1 for the Tide Pods or the liquid. Again, those are priced at $15.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $11.95. We have a one-off 1 for our Tide Simply products. So these start out at $8.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.25. This coupon is glitching and working on the Downy Rinse and Refresh. Those are priced at $12.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $11.95. Alright, moving on down, we have Energizer. We have a 2-off 2 for our Aussie hair products. So these start out at $4 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. We have Hello. We have Hefty Trash Bags. We have 125 off 1 for the All and Snuggle products. So these are on sale this week for $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Alright, moving on down, we've got a one-off 2 for the soft soap and speed stick. We've got some cereal. Here are some older coupons. So we're going to skip over a few of these. We've got Noxema, 3-off 1 for the Gillette razors. If you want to pick up the Mach 3 razors, those are priced at $8.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. We also have a 3-off 1 for the Venus razors. Those are priced at $9. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6. We have a one-off 1 for the lighters. Those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Then we have a one-off 1 for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the garlic 60 count, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and clip all of our DG store coupons as always. We've got CeraVe. We have a 2-off 1 for the Hanes ladies underwear and the sports bras. So those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have 50 cents off for the True Living glass cleaners. So those are priced at $2.40. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. We have DG Health Allergy Relief. We've got some Coca-Cola and Sprite, Kiss products, the Sheba cat food. Now those multi-packs are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Great deal. Alright, so there you have it for our new Dollar General digital coupons. Now, I know that this doesn't look really exciting right now. We don't have any super amazing low out-of-pocket run glitch deals like we did last week. However, y'all make sure that you stay tuned because we do have a lot going on this week and a lot of really good deals to get in on. So, make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is absolutely free. You know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. So don't forget to do all the things before you go and help your girl out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.